name is Ransford Amu. I'm the development consultant for Special Homes Limited, and we are developing Special Gardens. I also like to call myself the Chief Sales Officer for Special Gardens. Special Gardens is a gated community just down the Oyarifa Road, right off after Adenta, about 2-3 minutes off Adenta. I'd like to give you a brief history of where things are with Special Gardens. We started late 2022, and we are proud to say that in under 2 years, we have about almost all phases kind of built out. We have the core and shell of most phases built out. Now, entire phase 1 are actually sold out, and 25 of those homes are ready for handover, and 18 of those 25 homes are actually being processed for moving. We are also happy to say that for over a month now, some folks have moved in and already had birthday parties and moving parties in this community. Our community is unique in various ways, and I'll share a few of those. We're actually the first community in Ghana, the very first, that is fully EV compatible, that's electric vehicle compatible. You can bring your electric vehicles, cars here, and live in this community and be very happy not to worry about any fuel price increases. We will also be the first to actually introduce a digital fitness lounge. That means a lounge that allows everybody to feel part of. It doesn't feel like the macho environment of a gym. We're going to be introducing a very unique digital fitness machines, and you only have to be part of Special Gardens to experience and know it. We also promoting what we call sustenance living. Sustenance living in the sense that you can actually have a backyard garden and grow fresh vegetables, where we in the community provide you with the seedlings free of charge. So you can get seedlings for onions, parsley, stuff that you can easily grow in the backyard. So your kids can wake up in the morning, go to the backyard, pick up some fresh vegetables and come and help you do some eggs or omelets. Imagine how memorable that living will be, and that's what Special Gardens is about. We're about memorable living. In general, we have about 240 homes being built, 2 beds, 3 beds, and 4 beds townhomes. We also have 1 and 2 bedroom condos and apartments. Our condo apartments will be very unique itself because we also show and feature our garden areas and our garden features within even the apartment block. But look around, see what we have to offer. We have phase 2 on sale, and phase 3 is also open for sale as well. We encourage you to come by, stop by, see what we have going on, and we'll be giving you updates every now and then. So come see what we have at Special Gardens.